Yo, 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 what's good, people? Welcome to a new video where today I'm going to help you solve a problem that I've had for a few moments, like for over 2 months, and I couldn't resolve. And if you're here, it probably means you have the same problem. So when you join a Roblox game, everything starts well, but when it starts, well, I can load because you already know I fixed the problem. But when you load in, it just shows the loading screen, like the very first loading screen, and then it just says, "Oh, sorry, Roblox had a problem. We need to quit." And that shit's broken after. So it's very easy. All you need to do is to go to your folder. And no worries, I won't tell you to go to temp or app data and clear your cache, because I know if you've already tried this, I've already tried this, we all know it doesn't work. So everything's related to the new Byfron updates that Roblox is doing. So all you need to do is you right click where your Roblox game is installed. For me, it's on C2 point, but sometimes it can be on E, on F, depends on how many hard drives or SSDs you have. But for me, it will be on C. So all you need to do is right click this and you will go to properties, and when you see this thing here, it's in French, but it will say clear cache or clear disk or stuff like this. You just click on this little thing there. It will open this up. You will need to select every single thing. Don't click on clear system files or wash or fix system files. Don't click on that. Just click on OK, and then it will ask you, do you want to delete all of those files? You will say yes. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do this. And normally everything should be good. You don't need to change your DNS, your IP, or like shit like this. Oh shoot. You don't need to do all this. It's super simple. You just need to go there. And I don't know why people haven't done this earlier. All I need to do was to go on Roblox dev forums and find this. And people have already found it. And they found this in May, back in May. And it's been 1 month without people making a video about it. So I don't know. I'm here just to help you, and it helped me, it helped other people, but it can sometimes not help you. So if it didn't help you, I can link a dev forum that was made on the Roblox developer page, where it's solutions related to Hyperion, which is the update that Roblox have done, because it's not called Byfron anymore. I think it's called Hyperion, Hyperion or something like this. Or maybe they found, oh no, okay, I don't know why they called it Hyperion or something like this. Hyperion Roblox. Okay, maybe they, oh yeah, Hyperion also referred as Byfron. Okay, so it's the second name of Byfron. So it will help you. In clear, what they said is that you can have an app on your desktop that will try to modify stuff with Roblox. A lot of things can do this, like for example, I've got the Logitech app, and it will try to, it hasn't done that for me, but for some people it had. But sometimes it can modify stuff in Roblox, or it will dig for stuff to try to recognize Roblox. And Roblox don't want this, because they want to, they don't want new cheats, you know what I mean. So yeah, so that was fairly little quick video. So yeah, hope it will work for you. If it didn't, definitely check the Hyperion related solutions. And yeah, that's all for me. It was Slapser. Nice seeing you. Bye bye.